Most sellers relax in Q1, but the ones who actually grow delete old designs, plan events weeks ahead, write trends early, and build systems that turn consistency into sales. So here's my tip number 1, check your portfolio. And yeah, what do I mean by that? Well, go ahead and check if it has many old unsold designs. With the current TR policy, your goal should be to keep your Amazon merch account fresh. So regularly change out designs. And that means delete old designs that never sold and upload fresh and new designs. So here's tip number 2. Make a plan and stick to it. Well, Amazon Merch on Demand is all about uploading designs. So make a plan on how many designs you want to upload per week. And ask yourself, what type of niches do you want to go in? So you got evergreen niches, you got trends, but you also got events. And each type of these niches has its pros and its cons. And if you want to learn more about my own proven system on how I create my own designs on autopilot, then just go to merchprofitacademy.com and sign up for my free webinar. It's next Thursday at 5 p.m. Eastern Time, and it's also live. So here's tip number 3. Prepare for upcoming events. Now, if you want to create designs for events, I would upload them 6 to 8 weeks before the actual event. Let me show you an easy way on how to find these events. So here we are in Flying Research, and all we have to do is scroll down on the left right here, and then we get this tab that says events, and then we just click on social media holidays. And here we go. We got all the different kinds of events. Well, of course we can skip January. Now we are here in February. Now the most important events are marked with the star. So of course that's quite handy. But you also don't want to ignore all these other smaller events like National Boy Scouts Day or Safer Internet Day, World Radio Day. Okay. Now if you want to create designs for events now, I would focus on the March events. So you got March 1st Mardi Gras, then we got International Women's Day, and the biggest t-shirt event in March is of course St. Patrick's Day. So definitely don't ignore this event. But as I said, don't ignore these other small events that you can see on this list. These could also give you a lot of sales. Now here's a pro tip when you want to go into big events. Try cross-niching them with current trends. So search for trends which are popular right now and try cross-niching them with event t-shirts. Of course you won't create an evergreen design with this strategy, but you may generate a lot of sales in a short amount of time. And here's tip number 4. Go into trends. And the easiest way to find trending designs is also Flying Research. Okay, so here we go. All you have to do is click on Sellers Trends right here on the left. And then you can set your filters. I like to set it like that. United States, t-shirt, and trends winner in percentage. And let's click on Advanced Options right here. Time period 1 month. Then you click on Show Trend Types Winners. And then we can set the BSR range right here. Right now I like to set it from 1 to 600k. And then we can take a look right here. Now we can see that the sellers trends are not full of 6-7 designs anymore. So this trend is definitely declining, but we got some other interesting designs right here. Now when I check for trends, I would always take a look at the design of course, but also on this published date right here. You can see it under the design itself. So if it was published like a long time ago, it's not really a current trend. Then just take a look at the design itself. And yeah, this one for example that says legend since June 1965. Well, that's not really a trending design, that's an evergreen. But the design itself is trending. But right now we are looking for trending designs and phrases. Then we got some designs for events like Christmas right here on the left. Or I think this one is for Valentine's Day. Let's see. Like this one for example could be interesting, The Beast Inside Me. But it was already published 140 days ago. Now your goal should be to find a trending design type or a specific trending phrase. Now let me show you a quick tip on the bestsellers tab. So we click on bestsellers right here and then you click on advanced options. We set a BSR range like before to 600k. We got the sorting by BSR here. And now you set a date range. And that's where you can filter by published days. So right now you can only find this on the bestsellers tab, but I suggested this feature on the Discord of Flying Research. So I hope that they will soon implement this on the seller trends tab. So let's set the date range right here. Now let's click on 1st of January and let's click today and then you click search and here we go. You get all the recent bestsellers. So you can see right here published since 17 days, published since 14 days. And that's where it gets interesting. Now it would be your task to look at these designs and filter out infringing designs or designs which are not really allowed on Amazon and find trending design styles and phrases. Then you would pick these designs and just give them a small twist. Now let me show you another cool party trick on how to find trends. Okay, so this website is called knowyourmeme.com and it collects all the different kinds of memes which are trending right now. So no, you don't have to spend all day on TikTok to find current trends. Just check out this website instead. So you even got this weekly meme roundup. Let's click that and here we go. Yeah, this one is starting to trend. Nihilist penguin. So you get your trends served on a silver platter. But what's also important is that you get an explanation of this trend. So if you don't have any idea what the trend is about, just read a small passage. Okay, what else we got? Yeah, we got some memes about that. And memes are great to transform into t-shirts. Now let's see what else we got. Victoria Beckham stands at son's wedding controversy. Okay, I have no idea. And of course, if you go into that trend, don't mention the name. So what else we got? Yeah, we got some other memes about that. Then we got Jester Maxing. Yeah, I really have no idea. But if you got no idea, just read this passage right here. Then you got some examples or memes about that. Then we get Gabagool memes. Yeah, it gets weird. And so on and so on. You get the idea. Okay, what's that? Why does everyone want to go to Japan? So that's the meme. Why does everyone want to go to Japan? Let's go to Liverpool. Yeah, there you go. Just change the city and you got your t-shirts. So here's tip number 5. Apply systems and automations. Because especially if you have a higher tier account, you don't want to work design after design. So apply systems and automations like I do it in my own business. And if you want to learn more about my own process of automating the merch business, then just go to merchprofitacademy.com and sign up for the free webinar. That's where I teach my own system on how I automate my merch business. Now here's tip number 6. If you already have a routine, stick to it. Now, long-time sellers know that sales are slow in Q1, but the work that you put in now will pay off later. And with the tier up changes, always try to fill your slots to prevent a tear down. And if you got your slots filled, regularly delete old unsold designs and upload fresh designs to your account. Want to jump into creating trend-based designs for your portfolio? Then check out this video right here.